We'll show you how to remove the door easily to give you access to the rear of the appliance. The door can also be taken apart so you can even clean the inner layers of glass. In the first step, we'll take a look at removing the door. Before you start, place a clean towel on your kitchen worktop to avoid scratches. Then open the appliance door fully. Fold the clips forwards on both hinges. Now close the door to the airing position, that is, to an angle of about 30 degrees. Then hold the appliance door firmly on both sides and pull upwards at an even angle, but be careful, the door is heavy. Now place the door on the towel with the front side facing down. If you have a door with a handle, place this over the edge of the worktop to prevent any damage. Now we'll take the door apart to clean the inner glass. Note that there are two openings so you can hold the door securely. Now slide the upper piece of glass carefully towards you and lift it up slowly. The next step is to remove the door seal. And now for the second layer of glass. This makes it easy to clean the inner layers of glass, but make sure that you allow them to dry fully before reassembling the door. The door is reinstalled in no time at all. To begin with, place the inner glass back in the frame and make sure that the print is visible. Then pull the glass towards you and gently push it down. Make sure that the door seal is positioned correctly. You can now insert the upper glass into the frame. Then pull it back, press it down, and let go. Hold the door firmly on both sides again to slide it evenly into the hinges. Open the appliance door fully and fold the two clips back again. Voila! That's it.